haven't used this top in a hot minute. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I haven't filmed one of these in a hot minute. I think the last time I filmed it I had brown and like an ombre dark blondish hair like 2 years ago. Today I'm doing a makeup haul, and let me just say I'm gonna cut this intro because like super short, because look at this. Some are skincare, some are not even makeup but like actual for makeup, like brushes. So yeah, let's get started. The first thing, I'm gonna go quick because I already did an unboxing on some of the things that I got from the Ulta package, but there's also things that are not from Ulta that I have gotten as well. First thing I got is this BADESCU skincare Spritz Mist and Glow. So we have the facial spray with aloe, cucumber, and green tea. We have the facial spray with aloe herbs and rose water. We have the facial spray with aloe chamomile, I don't know, and lavender. So the pink one is in here, and I've used these two so far. I've used this one before. We have the NYX Highlight and Contour Pro Palette. I actually used this today as a first impression, and as you guys can see, I am currently loving how I look. So I finally used it. Also, I have some things that I haven't tried yet. The Dominique Cosmetic Latte palette. Look at this beauty. This palette is big. The pans are pretty big. The palette itself, it's really big. I tried it as a first impression. One of my favorite shades, it's this one. I love creme brulee for highlighting, and I also mixed it with macchiato. Girl, amazing. The next thing we have is the Too Faced White Peach palette. I have been using this for I love this palette so much. It smells so good. I go back and forth with Fuzzy and Sweet Fig. I love these two shades. And it's also perfect for traveling. It's like big, but at the same time it's not huge. Next we have the Tarte Skin Twinkle Volume 2 Lighting Palette. So this is a highlighter. Let me just say, I love this highlighter. I feel like I've used it a couple of times already, and at first, you guys know that when I tried this first impression, I felt like it created texture where I applied it. I had so much going on. I was like, oh my god, I'm pretty sure it was a highlighter, but I think it was when I used this one. I received this in the Ulta package. These are two Tarte Shape Tapes. This is in the shade Fair Neutral and Light Sand. It looks like peachy undertones, looking at side by side, but when you apply it, it's like literally white. I started using it and then I took a break because I started using, let me show you these. Oh wait, we're missing one more. Yep, I know, I'm crazy with my shades lately. My skin tone has been changing so many colors that I have to be constantly trying different shades. LA Girl Pro Concealers, because I didn't know the perfect shade. Now I will say they sent me this one. This is the color Natural, and this has pink undertones. Also, the thing that I don't like is that you have to squish so hard to get the whole concealer out. Next thing we have are these two brushes. This is the Morphe M527 and the Morphe M530. I use these two for bronzing and for contouring. This one's more for contouring because it's more smaller. If you want like a nice bronzy look on your, oh okay, I went there, face, I go with this big brush. So I like it is pretty big for my face, but I also like it because it does the job and like it gets it right there, you know, like right precisely where you want it. It's this one today for like, I just go like that, circular motions, and like contour. And then this is Bow and Arrow. You guys know I love this shade so much. It's like a mauve brown color. I like it for when I want to go like for a dark lipstick shade. I just go for this one. I usually apply it for when like I go like a light eye look and like something like that, or just a simple one eyeshadow color that it's not dark. I have a couple of more lipsticks around here. I have this one. This one's, I got it on the Ulta package. It's called Lace Detail from the NYX liquid lipstick from the Lingerie collection, and it's like a beautiful gorgeous nude color. Now this one, this is the Maybelline Supestay Matte Ink lipstick. It has that sticky formula on the lips. It's this brown color right here, and honestly I love it. I love this color so much. Whenever I want to go for all browns all over my eyes and my lips as well, I go for this color. Next we have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Soft Glam palette and the Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture. Decided to bring them both at the same time because they're both from Anastasia. If I had to choose between both of them, I would obviously, you guys know me so well, I would choose the Soft Glam just because of the shades. Like the shades are so me. If you want to go for more like, I say these are like galaxy type of looking colors because it has like weird different type of looks. I don't know why people, I think they changed the formula after they gave so much hate to this palette that I was like, yeah, I'm pretty sure they did, because on me it worked perfectly fine. I honestly did not hate on it. This is the LA Girl Pro Matte HD Longwear Matte Foundation. This is the super matte foundation. I got this and this is in the shade Bisque. It's a little lighter than my skin tone. That's why I actually recently ordered a new one from the Ulta store. I purchased it myself because I needed a new one. So I guess I will be mixing it with this one so I can just not let this one go to waste. Next thing, this is the Clean and Clear Essential Deep Cleaning Toner for sensitive skin. I knew that I needed a toner and I treats and helps prevent pimples. Wow, I didn't see this part. I haven't used it. I did start using it and I noticed a lot of difference on my skin, positive ones, not negative. And I paused it because after the product that I'm currently using for my the acne solution, the Clinique one, after I'm done with that, I'm gonna start using this one instead. This is the Tarte Park Avenue Princess Chisel palette. People say it's a bronzer, people say it's a contour. I honestly don't really know. I'm just gonna go ahead and say, for me, I feel like it's a contour. I feel like they failed on this mirror. Shouldn't this mirror go more on the back side? I feel like it doesn't. I don't want to stretch it
Look
out.
at these.
I have been so obsessed with this palette lately. I've used it non-stop. I just love it. I've been using a lot of Princess Cut and Carrot. These came on one of the Sephora packages, like the birthday package that they sent me, and oh my god, they're so pigmented. This is like glitter. If you want glitter and a nice full glam on your eyes, I definitely suggest for you to use this. This is a Stila Glitter and Glow Liquid Eyeshadow. This is made out for smoothing the skin and I think it's like a detox type of thing. The smell, it's funny because it smells like, you know those soaps that they give on, that they leave on the hotels? It smells like those type of soaps, which I'm not mad about. I actually like it. Now this, I'm missing 2 of them and it's because I have been using them. I started using it already, but these are the Ardell Dummy Wispies. I love these so much. All these are like new products that I haven't used. This is the Duo Adhesive Glue. This is for an eyelash glue. Next we have, this is the Makeup Revolution Love Conquers All palette. I tried linking this down below when I did the Ulta unboxing, but I think it was a limited edition type of thing. I don't know. I haven't used it. I did swatch it and it looks really good. The swatches look really pigmented. Now this is the Makeup Revolution Stove X highlighter palette. I am excited to use this. I haven't used it as first impressions, but I swatched it and it looked so good, and the shades are really like buttery and they're really pigmented. Oh, this, yes, I got this next to my birthday. One of the products that I got was the Too Faced Natural Face palette. This smells like coconut. It smells so good. Oh, I love the smell. I love the highlighters. I mainly use this. I started using it as a bronzer. I took a break because now I'm obsessed with the Tarte Park Avenue Princess Chisel palette. I haven't used this one because this bronzy shade is like a shimmery one, so I haven't used it, but they're so gorgeous. And the highlighters, they're actually, this one's more like a pinkish color and this one's more like a gold yellow color type of thing. Oh, this, I'd say this is new, although I already had a backup for my Becca Champagne Pop highlighter. You guys know I already had a backup. I got this one and highlighter is everything. I cannot have in my makeup collection not have this makeup product because I feel like my makeup collection is incomplete, you know. Now these I haven't tried and I already know that I'm gonna love these because you guys know I'm all out for the bronzers. This is the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. I got these 2 on the Ulta package and this one's in the shade bronzer and this one's in the shade sun kissed bronzer. I like the packaging. It's so adorable and it smells like coconut. This I got on the Ulta package. You guys know the fail that I had with this concealer, that it oxidizes, and it's also a light peachy color. It's too pinkish for me, and it oxidizes. You guys see that? It's gotten a little bit. Now recently I purchased this on Walgreens. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. This is in the shade light medium 20. I have not used it. I want to use it as a first impressions video because I have a feeling I'm gonna love it, because Amanda Ensing said it a dupe for the Laura Mercier translucent powder. This is also a new purchase. I don't know why I showed this, why I didn't show it, but this came in the Ulta package and I've been using this lately. I have this on myself right now and it leaves your skin so smooth. As you guys can see, you guys can barely see my imperfections, but literally this is an amazing powder, you guys. Like, this is Makeup Revolution Luxury Baking Powder. It's a banana shade. I got this one as a similar kind of like banana shade. I feel like the other shade that came after this was too dark, so I was like, no, don't get that one, you're gonna regret it, because what if it's too dark? So I decided to get that one. That will be all for my makeup haul. Wow, I have a mess in here, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this makeup haul, and yeah, let me know in the comments which products you guys have and if you guys like it. So, and as always, all these products will be linked down below. If you don't see something that is missing that I mentioned on this video and it's not in the description, it means that it was either sold out or I couldn't find it.